Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a quite simple move called a one-handed catapult. Now obviously knowing a catapult already is a given, you're going to really need to know that. And if you've done a Catamill, that's also going to be helpful because this is basically a combination of those two techniques. So the Catamill is a combination of the catapult and the half windmill. This is the combination of the Catamill and the catapult. Just looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it's not doing anything dramatically different, it's just a bit of different flavour whilst you're doing simple beginner type moves. So it starts off right to right. It starts like a standard catapult. We go semicircle, push, step back, guys getting out of the lady's line, we sweep the lady through as per usual and step into the lean. The difference is we do not offer the other hand. Okay, so we're just man's right, lady's right. We're going to start the lady walking forwards, and as we do that, guys, we're going to step over to the right. And as we bring that hand forwards, we're going to switch to our left and continue to bring the lady through with that left hand and then finish as we would a normal catapult. So we get the spin and catch, return and back. The only difference is, of course, that we're using the lady's other hand. We only in fact use the lady's right, hence one-handed catapult. So let's look at numbers. It goes back 1, sweep 2, lean one-handed 3, bring the lady forwards with the transfer 4, spinning 5, catching 6, returning 7 and back 8. So let's do it. Here we go. 5, a 6, one-handed catapult. We go a back, sweep, lean, coming forwards into the spin, catch, return and back. That's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. I know I keep saying it, but I really do appreciate it when anyone does that, so thank you for those of you who do. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.